it's Val from Vini Vidi Val, and soup season is upon us. It's actually been here for a while, right? But with today's weather and the snow, we're filming this on Thursday. I've just been in the mood for soup, and last week I was at a friend's house. My friend Karen had a group of ladies over for Valentine's Day, and she served this fabulous soup. And then I have another soup I'm going to show you, and then a third meal. So it's 2 soups and 3 meals, and this will make your life very easy. Even the Sesame Street chef could show this to you. So the first one is so simple. Everybody wanted the recipe. She served this soup, and she was like, I'm embarrassed to tell you how to make it because it's so simple. And we all wanted the recipe even more after that. 2 ingredients. You start with Trader Joe's roasted red pepper tomato soup, and then their chimichurri Peruvian rice, both from Trader Joe's. Put them in a pot. You let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and I made this this past week, and I just added some chopped spinach. I added some corn to it, and I also added a can of beans, like just a plain, like a navy or a cannellini bean. And it was excellent, and it's excellent just as this too. It will take you longer to shop for the ingredients than to make it. It's so wonderful. The second soup is it's like cooking with cans soup. Again, it is so easy, and it's kind of like a chicken tortilla soup. I really like this soup. So the base of it is the enchilada sauce, the size of can. So you just put that in your pot.
That's a big can.
It's a larger can. I think it's a 28 ounce.
Yep.
Yes. And then when you're finished with that, you fill the can with water or chicken broth, put that in your pot, and you can start warming that up.
Okay.
Then you open up all of these ingredients. So for the corn and 2 different beans, it doesn't matter what kind of bean, whatever beans you like, and rinse all 3 of these items really well, and then put them in the pot.
Okay.
And then the last can is the tomato soup.
Here, diced tomatoes?
I mean the diced tomatoes, I'm sorry. Oh wait, did I put it up there? Oh yeah, okay, diced tomato.
Yep.
Put that in the pot.
Yep.
And a seasoning pack, which the original recipe called for the whole pack. I like to use just half, but just add it and taste it and add as you like. And then the ingredient I do not have here, but you don't need it, is shredded chicken. So I just buy the roasted shredded chicken. I use the breast meat for this soup. And now you'll notice that you have your dark meat left over, and here's your third meal. This rice is so excellent on its own that just add chicken to it or serve it alongside chicken with a salad. Oh. You are set for your third meal. Honestly, and this rice is like the best find.
Chimichurri rice with vegetables.
It's nicely spiced, and then and the vegetables are nice in it too. Then you can finish off your meal with a new mix that we've just gotten in. So there is the, this is the breadsticks, which we can start our meal with, but they have a lemon square mix. They also have a blueberry lemon scone mix. And then also this would be fun to make too when you're serving your soups. It's just a little grissini breadsticks, which you can, make as long or as short as you like or as thick as you like. Brush it with your favorite butter or olive oil and season it with some salt and pepper. Maybe everything but the bagel seasoning would be good on that too. And there you have
making me hungry. And here we have Val, the Swedish stuff. So horgy, horgy, borgy, horgy.
That's right. So bam, dinner's ready. And Martha Stewart would say, it's a good thing.
Nice.
And there you go. Enjoy your soups. Bye-bye.